Jamie here from the Book Boys. Lately we've been reading Jerry Pallotta's Who Would Win series, Secretary Bird versus Rattlesnake. Today we decided to have an exciting fact face-off of our own. I got a rattlesnake and a Secretary Bird. Let's see who will win. In the left corner, standing in at 4 feet and weighing in at 12 pounds, Mike Sneak Beak Twig Legs Shukatino. And in the right corner, standing in at an unraveled 7 feet, weighing in at 15 pounds, we have Elliott, the Rattler, the Southwest Sizzler, the Venom Wrangler Townsend. Here's how it's gonna be. I want a nice, clean, non-encyclopedia referencing fight. You got it?
What are those feathers for, Mike? You don't hardly even fly.
Skin's looking a little dry. You sure you don't need some moisturizer?
Hey man, every time I shed my skin, my rattle grows stronger.
You're doing all right out there, kid. You gotta hit him with the sneaky beak. You eat snakes like this kid for breakfast.
They should call you a rattlesnail because you move at a snail's pace.
I may move slow, but I can attack fast.
You can't strike what you can't catch.
Don't forget your name and where you came from, the fierce rattle.
I got this. I may not catch you often, but when I do, I got the lethal coagulation venom.
They don't call me twig legs for nothing. Try to get your fangs wrapped around these babies.
The winner is... Well, you gotta read the book to find out.